Would you say that, you would definitely recommend Ruby Roti to your friends?
Absolutely. Without a doubt, I have data also to prove before after effects. So I'm convinced that's the right food for diabetic. And at least one meal or adopt Tegalitip per day, and it'll make a remarkable difference
Mhm.
in somebody's life. So, 3 months, at least 3 months are disciplined. They themselves will see measured A1C before 3 months, measured afterwards. Even if they keep the rest of the lifestyle the same, just making one meal change to be a well-behaved meal change. Let them do whatever the regular thing was for the other meal. So no change, they'll see the A1C drop. And Ruby Roti is part of prevention, if you will.
Yes.
I mean, or at least management, with already diabetes. I was thinking about can it be described as a food that works like medicine? This is a food that works like, does magic like a medicine, and it is food. And I will tell you how effective it is in controlling your blood sugar. This is my average glucose over 90 days.
Right.
What you're seeing are the histograms are across the 24-hour period.
Right.
You put highest, they are all about the same.
And what did your endocrinologist have to say? Did she actually take a look at the data?
I mean, she's impressed with my data. You feel like eating rice 200 plus. Within 30 minutes, it shoots up like you would not believe. Low glycemic index rice and కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. అది అదేం పెద్ద లో కాదు. I have compared that with the regular rice also. రాగి రొట్టి తిని కంపేర్ అన్నీ చేసుకున్నాను.
How long have you been a diabetic?
Since 2003. So that's almost 22 years. Started insulin about 4 years ago. Today in the morning I take 12 units. And then only metformin, and then exercise and try to eat as decent a diet as we can. And I also have a stent in my heart. I have a cardiovascular issue also. So the doctor has been advising, key is to control your blood sugar. And then I said on sugar, I think I may have found a solution. Apparently, for 1 week I've been eating Ruby Roti at dinner time, and I was seeing the dramatic results of lowered morning sugars, and then
your HbA1c dropped from 7.6 to 5.9, and there were other things also you were doing while this time, taking care of your exercise routines and all of these things.
But significantly, Ruby Roti has contributed to a part of that, from 7.6 to 5.9. Because one meal is completely substituted with that.
Yes, that's true.
And then even the second meal, I was adding Ruby Roti in some indirect forms, like the Szechuan fried rice with Ruby Roti thrown in, with egg whites thrown in. Not at all compromising on taste.
Right, okay.
ఎందుకంటే సస్టైనింగ్ కి అది ఉండాలి, మనకి నచ్చకపోతే తినలేదు. So it's gonna become part of my life.